Clean Queen Mrs Hinch has mopped up a whopping £1.5 million in the last 12 months. And the star, who is best friends with Stacey Solomon, has doubled her money to take her company's worth to £3.1 million, new figures have revealed. She cleaned up in the 12 months to the end of April this year after earning megabucks from her best-selling books, TV work and money-spinning social media plugs for home care products. Mrs Hinch has just filed books to Companies House for her firm Mrs Hinch Limited, and they show that she's sitting on a cash reserve of £2.9 million. And the accounts show it has a value of £3.1 million with debts taken off, up from £1.5 million in the previous trading period. The Essex-based cleaning guru, 31, has single-handedly made cleaning fun again and has more than 4 million followers on Instagram. Her meteoric rise to fame began in March 2018, when she decided to chart her cleaning obsession on Instagram. 3 months later, the housewife, real name Sophie Hinchliffe, reached 1 million followers, called Hinchers. As well as cleaning tips and product recommendations, Mrs Hinch shares her personal life on her page, including her 2018 wedding to husband Jamie, at Essex stately home Gosfield Hall, and the birth of their first child, Ronnie, in June 2019. They added a second child, Lenny, in the summer. In 2019, a heated bidding war over her first book, Hinch Yourself Happy, landed her a £1 million deal, and she has since released several more books, including her memoir, This Is Me, released last year. With her Instagram posts earning a potential £9,690, she can rake in £503,880 a year from plugging products alone. And she famously said, "Yes, I'm only 29 but I would prefer to clean, attempt to cook, sew and buy baskets than go clubbing. That's Mrs Hinch for ya, and I'm proud of it." The canny cleaner has also applied to trademark Mrs Hinch. She's filed documents with the government's Intellectual Property Office so she can use her name on cleaning products like sprays, disinfectants and paper towels, cleaning equipment, books, DVDs, and clothes, toys, sportswear and even games. Mrs Hinch filed papers to register the trademark in a total of 18 different product classes covering dozens of items. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.